Live from New York, this is Dubai Falcon News, Eyes on the City. UAE puts the squeeze on Imran Khan as Pakistanis in the UAE feel the heat. As per the Hindustan Times, Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan was critical of the UAE's formalization of its relationship with Israel. UAE could impose tighter visa norms for Pakistani nationals. Pakistani residents are finding it difficult to renew residence permits, and there has been a buzz about deportation, although no reports of a large-scale exercise to this effect have emerged.
So Imran Khan has this issue with the Palestinian settlements. The idea is that he wants Israel to give back the settlement to Palestine. Now the thing is that he doesn't understand the things that are happening between Muslims and Jews for decades, and he overlooks that fact and goes around finding a problem with other countries which is comfortable for him to talk about, which is Israel and UAE. And his problem with UAE is that UAE's relationship with Israel has caused him despair because he feels the Muslims in Palestine are not getting what they are supposed to get. And this is an actual double standard because he has been told about China's Uyghur region and where the Muslims are suffering there, and he has not cared about it. He hasn't spoken anything about it because it's not comfortable for him to speak about. But he thinks speaking about UAE and the Israeli relationships are relevant here. And the other double standard is that he was married to his ex-wife was a German Jew with a large Jewish history coming from the Goldschmidt family, her name was Jemima Goldschmidt, and they were from Frankfurt. So he's already had relationships with somebody who's Jewish most of his life, and he has 2 children out of it. So the idea is that since he's gone through all of this, I think he should let UAE do what they have to do because they are trying to bring their country up from something that's already very high, and he still has to bring his country up, which is right now in turmoil. So having an opinion about another country when your own country is in turmoil is the definition of hypocrisy.